Hello and welcome back to the Guns and Glory show. I finally got hot water up here and a shower, which is kind of why there's a kiddie pool hanging from the ceiling in the garage. I'll try not to make y'all too dizzy as I show you what I've done to set this all up. Whoa, sorry. Now I'm making payments of $18.18 on the 18th every month for a year on that propane fired on-demand heater. I've got it plumbed into my water system so I don't have to draw it off a bucket or something dumb like that. I've got to get this big tank refilled, but right now we're running off the other one. Oh, the hose, the hot water now, RO system, and the outside hose all tie into the same spot, and I'm pretty new at plumbing, so I'm pretty happy about this. Now the RO system drains into the sink, which has that pump in it, which will extract the water into this bottle, and I can take that outside because it's frozen outside. Since the system does make monoxide gas, I didn't want to fill the room full of steam. I added that turbine, picks up the steam here, and I poked a hole in the corner there to pick up the exhaust gases, which wind up just going out the window. I didn't want to punch another hole in the wall or anything, so styrofoam is the only thing that took any damage. Just slide the window open, put the plug in place that I use every night to keep my privacy and to keep it a little darker, a little more efficient. Now, when I'm done with the shower, I want to get rid of the water. So I just use my old shower system to pump the water out through the garden hose. Now like I said, I'm sorry for spinning y'all around, but it's tight quarters. And I'll get that thing down and show you how the shower itself is. It's constructed. Now I put some grommets in the pool, just like you would find on a flag. But we don't tear it up, because these things are kind of fragile. The dog is not sure about any of this right now. There. There. 2 shower curtains and their rings hung from a hula hoop. And I've got an umbrella tied up there with some zip ties and fishing string just to catch the extra spatter. And I put the entrance on the opposite side of the piano so that this side is doubled. And that's kind of what it looks like from the inside. I think it's pretty neat. So, got that problem solved. And I've also got hot water now to do the dishes with and clean up a whole bunch of other stuff around here. So, I guess that's what I should probably do, because the place is generally a bit of a mess right now because I've taken so many things out of the shipping container and brought them up here this time. So, I'm about to get in that thing and try it out for the first time. Take care.